I got a right to complain about it because I don't fucking burn nothing. I mean, unless you want to call fucking burning a fucking candle or fucking LPG is fucking burning. But I don't fucking burn anything other than that. I don't burn garbage like you guys do. Well, we don't. Garbage includes any yard waste too. I mean, I try to just throw it over the fucking fence. It'll fucking decompose. But she said, no. You know, apparently her and Viola are best of fucking friends, and apparently she thinks Barangay Chapman and Viola are right, and I'm wrong. And she told me right off the fucking bat that she was going to sit there and fucking burn, have you guys fucking sit there and burn, your caretakers burn anyway. That was fucking February of last year, so. I tried, but then again, you don't have nothing. What are you complaining about? You guys fucking burn all the fucking time. You ain't got nothing. You know, fucking.